everyone, I'm back for you. I have something extremely useful to share with you today. Today we will learn about each and every, how we will use each and every in a sentence. Both words refer to something that is singular. Use of each. Each is used for two or more things. It is used to indicate things separately, one by one. We use each when we refer to a small number or when the group is limited and definite. Means each refers to an individual object or person. A lot of people get confused because they are similar to each other but cannot be used interchangeably every time. For example, each girl will get a prize. First of all, I want to know that what does each mean? Each means obviously singular. Remember that we use each when we think of people or things separately one by one. Here is example, each girl will get a prize. It means each girl, every single girl will get a prize, or it means one by one every girl will get a prize. Second example, each student performed well. Here I am talking about an individual performance. Okay. Now third example is each of the children received a gift. Children is plural here. Remember, each of you always follow it by plural noun. Means you will use each of with plural noun. Now imagine there are so many children. So many of them. I am talking about as individual, each of the children is singular. So here it means every children will receive a gift. So one by one every child will get a gift. We use each of here. Now use of every. Use of every is used when we refer to things or person as a group, or we can say that we use every when the number of persons or things is large or indefinite. For example, I have read every book in the library. Now, why do we say every? I cannot even begin to count the number of books in library has. There are more than 2 books, maybe 1000 books. So we use every here. Therefore, we use every for larger number. Now, second example is every house in the town is painted. Every. There are a lot of house in the town. It is in huge, and well the amount and the number is indefinite, so we use every here. And the last example is she plays tennis every Sunday. If you go to see here, I am defining the frequency or telling you how often something happens. So, when you say that or when talk about the frequency, you use every there. Now, a lot of people would use each Sunday, but this is incorrect because we are talking about frequency about an action. So we use every here. Thank you.